In today's video, I'm going to teach you clean up your sidebar with sections follows tips on how to use Slack. If your Slack sidebar feels crowded, sections are a simple way to group related channels and keep your focus where it matters. By the end, you'll have a tidy, organized sidebar that makes it faster to find what you need. Start by opening Slack and looking at the left sidebar where your channels and conversations live. This is your home view, and it's where we'll create your first section. Find the channels heading in the sidebar. This is the label that sits above your channel list. Right-click on Channels to open a small menu of options. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. In that menu, hover your cursor over Create. This reveals more options related to organizing your sidebar. From there, click Create Section. Slack will open a dialog where you can set up a new custom section for your channels. Give your section a clear, memorable name. Think about how you naturally group your work. Maybe projects, team updates, design, sales, or personal focus. Keep names short and specific so they're easy to scan. If your team uses a naming system, follow it for consistency. You can even add a simple emoji at the start if that helps you spot it quickly, but keep it clean and purposeful. Next, click Create and Add Channels. This lets you immediately populate your new section, so it's useful right away. A picker will appear, showing channels and conversations you can add. Use the search bar to quickly find the ones you use the most. Select the channels you want to include, things like your core team channel, active project threads, or any space you check daily. Don't worry if you miss one. You can always add or remove channels later. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Add Conversations to confirm. Your new section now appears in the sidebar, grouping everything you chose under one collapsible heading. This makes your daily navigation smoother and reduces visual clutter. A couple of quick tips to get the most from sections. Use them to separate active work from reference material, so you can collapse what you don't need right now. If your priorities change, you can rename the section later to reflect the current focus. And as projects wrap up, move their channels out to keep the section lean. That's it. Your Slack sidebar is cleaner, smarter, and easier to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized workspace.